Alright, here we are. Load Bearing Wall Pros wall removal. As you can see, this wall right here is the one we're taking out. We're going all the way from where the oven was in the kitchen there. We've already beefed that corner up so that we'll be able to have a good load point there to bear the weight. And as we come up into the behind the scenes, you can see here is our plate. You can see the 2x4 on flat, and that is bearing all the weight of these ceiling joists. And you can also see the purlin braces that are coming down and bearing on that plate as well. So we're going to have to get all these guys tied back into our beam. Beam is going to run all this distance all the way to that exterior wall and sit on that load point. And then back here, we are actually standing in the opening where we've removed all the ceiling joist here. We've also cut the insulation back on the hard pipe, and we've gotten it that hard pipe that crossed here that was in our way out of the way. AC guys will be able to put that back together. We have a couple of wires that we're going to have to navigate, but other than that we'll be in good shape. So the beam is actually going to come up here and sit directly over that center plate that you can see in between the two pieces of sheetrock, and it'll span all that distance, and we'll be able to hanger all of these ceiling joists from the bottom of the ceiling joist up to the top of the beam. The beam will sit right on top of those joists and touch all the way down, and we'll hanger all those guys back off.